Hey guys, welcome to the Mindful Miles. Today, we're going on an adventure. And not just any adventure. We're diving into our destination, Kadia Mountain Buddhist Caves, a place that's packed with amazing location, mind-blowing history, beautiful nature. So if you love travel, learning new things, and discovering places beyond the surface, you're in the right place. Let's explore. Kadia Dungar Buddhist Caves are located at Kadia Dungar near Zespor village of Zaghadia Taluka of Bharuch district of the Indian state of Gujarat. 7 rock-cut caves and monolithic lion pillars are present at Kadia Dungar. The caves suggest that they were viharas. A brick stupa was also found in the foothills. These caves were in use during 1st and 2nd century AD. You can reach there by road. The Bharuch is the nearest railway station. The closest airport is at Vadodara. Their biggest significance today is how undisturbed they are. Because they're not heavily commercialized, the site still feels raw and close to what it might have been centuries ago, which is rare. So the real importance of Kadia Dungar isn't in what's built there, but in what it represents. A quiet intersection of history and spirituality. Around Kadia Dungar near Bharuch, the landscape feels raw and a bit untouched, very different from polished tourist spots. The hill itself is made up of rocky, uneven terrain, with scattered stone formations and natural slopes. It's not a lush green hill year-round. Instead, it has that dry, earthy Gujarat vibe, especially in summer, with shades of brown, grey, and dusty green. The surroundings are mostly quiet and open, with farmlands in the distance, occasional trees and thorny bushes, wide, unobstructed views of the countryside. Because it's not crowded, you often just hear wind, birds, and complete silence, which actually adds to the experience, especially when you're exploring the caves. Nothing fancy here, just rocks, wind, and silence. And somehow, that's exactly what makes this place special. You first reach the base of Kadia Dungar Hill by road, usually a small local path near nearby villages' fields. From there is no proper staircase or developed pathway in many parts. You have to walk uphill on a natural rocky trail. The ascent is short, generally 5 to 15 minutes depending on your pace. Overall, Kadia Dungar isn't just about the Buddhist caves, it's about the whole experience around it. From the rocky climb and raw landscape to the silence of nature and the simple rural life nearby, everything here feels untouched and real. No heavy tourism, no modern distractions, just history, nature, and everyday life existing together. But this place also reminds us of something important: travel responsibly. Respect the land, don't pollute it, carry your waste back, and leave it as you found it. And most importantly, explore it in daylight, stay prepared, and experience it with awareness. Because places like this aren't just destinations, they're stories still standing in silence. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next adventure. And if you're new here, consider following for more travel videos like this. There's a lot more coming your way.